Welcome back. I was asked a question about convincing a team to go with stories instead of just putting a bunch of technical tasks in the backlog. And my comment was, as a way to go about that is to get the team to focus on separating what and how, in terms of what and how we want to fix things. And I was given an example of a problem I had yesterday, which here we go. If I go into Chrome or into Team Home and I go into the parking lot and I highlight, if I select the question that David gave me yesterday, and then I bring it up on the screen, it looks like this and it fits nice, it's great. But a lot of times people give me questions in the parking lot that are big. I got one here. This isn't even my bigger one, but this was one from Francisco. And she had one more sense, and I'm having to like stand up like this so that I can answer a question. So here's the mistake I made. I went into our backlog tool and was asking my team to give me a second way of displaying questions. And I was telling them how I wanted the problem solved instead of just saying, give me a second way to display the questions when they're long. I went in and said, I want you to shrink the font size. I want to put it on the right. And if I do it right, it'll look like that. Yeah. So I kind of faked it with this. This doesn't work perfectly, but it's better. And but I was putting into my request how I wanted them to solve the problem, Kyle. And that's the mistake I was making.